G'day there, it's Glen Smith from Turnbull Motors in Warragul, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander in the ES AWD four-wheel drive wagon. Vehicle has just arrived in the stock, so it's freshly traded with us, has just been detailed and the roadworthy has been completed. The reason we do these videos is to give people a good indication of the car that they're purchasing from us is in good condition. We'll try and point out any imperfections, if any, to give you the confidence that the car that you're purchasing with us is in good condition. So starting from the front of the vehicle, we'll start from the mirror scalp on the driver's side. Again, a couple of minor marks for the age and kilometres, but nothing major, being a 2017 model Outlander. We'd love to have a lot more of these. We don't get a lot of these now because a lot of people seem to keep them for a long time. Just shows you that they are a great car. Coming down to your alloy wheel and tyre, both are in great condition. Really clean condition throughout so far. Minor mark on the bar there, which is nothing major again. No major scratches. It's really just road grime and grease that we're going to get from roads, and stone chips, which will be quite normal with cars of this age. All the way along the front bumper, really clean throughout. A couple of minor marks just here, again from road grime and rocks as such. Our vehicle does come fitted with a bonnet protector, which is really good value. Protects your windscreens and your bonnet, so you'll find the bonnet will be quite clean. No major marks that I can physically see, where the bonnet protector will really help with the stone chips and hopefully rocks off your front windscreens as well, which is what they normally are there for to do. Coming along your passenger front guard, bumper area, again guard and bumper. Again, nothing that I can physically see. Really clean condition. I have got the car running in the background, which you may hear. To give you an idea, the car runs very well. Your alloy wheel and tyre in great condition. Again, up to your passenger side mirror scalp. Really clean condition. Vehicle has been fitted with window tint, which you may be able to see in the video, you may not, depending on hopefully how clear my video is. And then coming back to your front passenger door, again, paint condition is fantastic. Nothing that's going to scare you away again. And then coming to your rear door on your passenger side presents really, really well as well. We'll head up to the rear quarter on the passenger side. Again, paint condition, nothing I can see again. And if it is, it'll only be really minor stuff that I can't really see just for the sun in the background, but nothing that I can see that is major anyway. Alloy wheel on the rear, again, presents well. Tyre condition is fantastic. Vehicle does come with a reverse camera and factory reverse sensors, which you'll see just there. Little minor mark here and also here as well, which you may see there. But again, with age of car, that's quite normal. And tailgates are normally the section where stuff will kind of come out. A couple of stone chips on the rear nose edge of the bar there again. Minor mark here, which I think the previous owners put some touch-up paint on there. So that was done before we were traded, but it looks like they've put a bit of touch-up paint on there. But again, for the age of the car, still presents really, really well. Again, another minor mark here. But again, wear and tear for age. Nothing that's going to scare you away. So there's no major damage, which is really good. To open your tailgate, your Mitsubishi emblem, just beneath the emblem is your little rubber button to press. Manual operation, of course, in the rear. This is a 5-seat variant. As you'll see, it does have the rear protection of the rubber floor, which keeps your carpet protected really well underneath. So you'll see carpet is in good order because of that protector in the rear. And as you'll see throughout the car, the cargo area, nothing major to report, scratch related or mark related. Normal wear and tear for a car for a 2017 model, which gives you it's been looked after really, really well. You will see the photos have been lifted on the website. A great service history, all been done with Mitsubishi from memory. Really good kilometres. I'll confirm the Ks as we move around, but really good kilometres and just good value for money as well. Rear bumper and rear quarter on your driver's side, again, nothing to scare you away from. Again, scratch related, really clean throughout. Coming down to your rear tyre, again with the alloy wheel, again presents really well. Tyre is in great condition again. And then following along with the paint on the exterior on the driver's side rear door, again, really clean condition. And coming to your front driver's door, again, presents really, really well. No major scratches or marks. A couple little marks underneath the door handles, which is quite normal for rings and such on the driver's door handle. But again, we'd rather be straight up and show you as much as we physically can if you do live a fair way from Warragul. In the rear door, we'll open the door section. Door card is in good condition. We'll show you through the interior and exterior as well. Behind your driver's seat, just to show there's no tears or splits in the carpet interior. And over to the passenger side one as well. Again, presents really, really well. All your carpet flooring is in good condition. Over to the passenger side door card. Show the camera window a bit quick there. And then back to your seating, just to show the interior is in good condition as well. No stains or marks that I physically can see as well. So the best thing is just great value for money, 4-cylinder, so nice and economical as well. Has been looked after really well with servicing through Mitsubishi. And a good family size, which really helps as well. Back to your driver's side door card again, really clean condition. Being the EDAS, it does have the safety feature, which you'll just see there, your parking sensor, lane departure warning, and your front collision mitigation button, which the ADAS will give you that feature over and above your base model. So just a lot more safety features being the ADAS. And as you'll see, interior, again in the front section, does present very, very well. Nothing I can see that's going to turn you away again. Vehicle does have a dash mat, so it shows you it has been looked after really well. There is a dash mat inside the vehicle as well. Stops that glaring on the front of your dash. I'm just going to jump inside the car because it's a bit cooler in here because it's quite warm outside. So current kilometres as we speak is 93,874. It does have the 2 factory keys, which hopefully you can see there. So 1 and 2, so your 2 factory keys. To your steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, which is your adaptive cruise control on your steering wheel. And your volume control and Bluetooth functionality on your left-hand side for answering it and hanging up your phone. Across the stereo system, it is the Apple CarPlay Android Auto compatible. Reverse camera will come up automatically when you put it in reverse. So really easy system to use. You got your home button, so you get your phone, your Bluetooth settings, so you can pair a device. And again, if you do need to use your Apple CarPlay, cancel that, back to home. If you do need your Apple CarPlay, again, you've got to plug your cord in. So it's not cordless, this is a cord operated Apple CarPlay Android Auto system. Your fan speed in the center. Your mode button will change your aircon area for where the man is sitting or lady or the person. And then your temperature, which you've got dual climate control, his and hers, heating and cooling. So nice and easy to use. Your dual cup holder, which press that button, the 2 cup holders will come out through here. And then coming back to your automatic transmission, your 4-wheel drive badge, and your electric handbrake as well. So really good value for money, good family size vehicle, fantastic service history through Mitsubishi, and presents really, really well inside and also on the outside. So if you have any questions in relation to this vehicle or anything else we have in stock, my name is Glen Smith. I can be contacted on 0423 087 607. So if you have any questions in relation to this vehicle or anything else, please don't hesitate to touch base. But otherwise, hopefully you've enjoyed the video and hopefully this is the right car for you. Have a great day.